He's going all out, Angie. He means business.
You know, say I try build a case from allegations though. Because none of what he's trying to pin on Mr. Mullins is true.
Some of them are questionable. You know David is unorthodox.
That is because we're not the police force, Cynthia. We can't operate like them.
But you have to operate by the law of the land. You can't break the law in one instance to uphold it in another.
So I'm gonna ask you something. How many omelets have you made without breaking eggs?
Please, don't tell me that's the analogy you're trying to use to justify all the rules that the agency has broken.
80% success rate, Cynthia. 80%. That includes cases that were not solved or could not have been solved by our local police department. But we're being ostracized for the 20% flaw.
The agency is not being ostracized, Angie. But you have to admit that you dropped the ball recently. So my suggestion is, take full accountability and wait on a full investigation.
And in the meantime,
you focus on your community activities. But there can be no regular agency activities.
it's over a month now, Cynthia.
And the minister is going to take his own time until he can shut you down permanently. And if he's able to, he'll make David serve time. So make sure everything is on the up and up.
I can't even understand how you make that drop out of your mouth so easily.
Because those are the facts, Agent Brissett. Unfiltered and unbiased. And you've been in the profession long enough to understand that.
Yeah, I understand. But you know what I also understand? Say, Uno did want to get rid of Mr. Mullins long time and shut down the agency.
Uno?
Yeah, Uno. Because Uno can't control him. And Uno not understand how him work. So it bother Uno. I can't bet say a month Uno plan this, you know.
Me still stuck at Uno. Angie, you really believe so you're the only one who see David Mullins as a father and a mentor?
Oh, please, Cynthia. Ever since you got appointed to board, everything about you changed. You no know say them a use you as them a top dog, you know. And to think Mr. Mullins thought you were loyal.
I am going to ignore what you just said for two reasons. Ignorance and emotion. If you had all the information, you wouldn't have made that statement. And because you're emotional, you're venting. So I forgive you. But Angie, if you ever question my loyalty again, we're going to have a good old-fashioned throwdown in this place. You hear that?
Why we need Uno to dictate what we do? I don't get it.
The only way the agency would survive is if it had an independent board of directors. Because it is still governed by the Constitution of Jamaica. However, David knew that would be problematic.
Yeah. Because him know say they would appoint somebody to shut down the agency at any time.
Exactly. But the head of the board has more power than all the others selected. Listen, there can't be an official shutdown until a full investigation is conducted.
So hold on, wait. That mean that you get the order for a full investigation?
That's the only way it wouldn't seem like I'm in favor of the agency. Or like I have a soft spot for David.
What is the history between you and Mr. Mullings?
I was a part of the sleeper program.
You?
I was before your batch. And because of my skills, he decided to make me his secret weapon.
So, him appoint you head of the board?
Indirectly. And because I was one of those who was always talking against the agency in the initial stages, they saw me as the best person for the job.
Hey. Mr. Mullings not easy, you know?
He's a very strategic man, Angie. You know that. Ordering the full investigation.
Is buying time to do a damage control. I get it now.
No one was supposed to know about this. But I respect you. And I think this time you know we're on the same team.
I feel foolish.
Don't. You couldn't have known.
I need something from the minister boy.
Don't even think about that right now. You need to clean up this situation with Carlton Wallace and the agent. Because if that comes out, the agency's done.